Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can listen to books on Amazon Kindle app. So this is one of the book which I'm reading on Amazon Kindle. So let's say I want to read it, alright, which means I want all of this text to be read it. I don't want to read it myself. There is a setting on your iPhone which you need to turn it on in order to do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, just close the Kindle app. After you close the Kindle app, just go on your phone setting. Once you're inside your iPhone setting, scroll a bit down until you see accessibility. My accessibility is right below home screen, so yours should be there as well. So click on accessibility. Once you're inside accessibility, the option called spoken content, which is the fifth one, you want to click on spoken content. Once you're over here where it says speak selection, if it is turned off, then make sure to turn it on, alright? And once you turn it on, at the bottom you can even choose the speaking rate. If you want it to be read really fast, choose really fast. If you want it to be read slow, choose it slow. And if you want it to be read in the normal speed, just make sure to place it in the center and it should be good to go. Once you do that, just close your setting and open Amazon Kindle. Now once you open Amazon Kindle, you can see all the text over here of the book. Let's say I want to read this, like, first line where it says our eyes moves in all directions. So I want it to be read. What I can do is select these text. So I'm going to hold on the text and select the text. After I select the text, at the top right beside highlights, you can see a little arrow pointing at the right. I want to click on it and I want to click on the arrow pointing at the right again, and then it's going to show me the option called speak. Now unless you have turned on the speak option in setting, this is not going to be shown, but I have turned it on, so it's showing me. So I can just click on speak and it's going to start speaking. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can listen to books on Amazon Kindle app. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.